Hi everybody, it is Monday and it is your Monday Mortgage Minute. It is Monday, March 16th, and I'm being very specific about the date today because things are changing hour by hour and day by day, and I wanted to talk to you about the latest with what's going on here in Connecticut with foreclosures. So if you are falling behind on your mortgage or you're in foreclosure, things are not stopping. So the message I want everyone to take away today is don't think that this virus crisis is going to help you in any way. You're not going to get delays. You're not going to get help. You're not going to get bailouts. You're not going to get any assistance. Just please operate under the assumption that you're not going to get help, that you must continue to pay your mortgage if you can. I know that people might be losing hours at work. They might be losing jobs. They might have to take time off of work. That all of that might affect your income. I understand that. But right now, I have no reason to believe that anybody's going to help you as far as the mortgage companies giving you a break, giving you any kind of forbearance, anything like that. We might see that. We might see that in weeks and months to come, but don't operate under the assumption that, well, I can't work, so they can't expect me to pay my mortgage. Don't think that way. It's happened before. Back in 2008, 2009, the economy crashed, tons of people lost their jobs, and the mortgage companies expected you to pay your mortgage. And after that, there were some programs. You could apply to modify your mortgage. You still can. But, don't count on there being some kind of mass understanding that what's going on right now with the virus is going to mean that you don't have to pay your monthly mortgage payment. You have a lot of bills to pay, I understand, and you're going to be deciding which ones to pay. Do I pay my mortgage? Do I pay the credit cards? Do I pay the car? My recommendation, the mortgage and the car are first. And I know that might be tough to do and pay for medications and pay for food and things like that. I understand all that. But I'm telling you that as a lawyer who only helps people who are in foreclosure, that's all I do, you need to pay your mortgage if you can. If you are in foreclosure, courts are closed. They're hearing some motions, but they're not giving us in-person hearings, okay? So you're not getting an in-person hearing. So if you're listening to this, watching this, and you feel like you need to go in on a particular day to get heard by a judge, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You're going to need a lawyer to help you. You're going to need to know how to do it. They're just not going to tell you. They're not going to give you free legal advice. Okay. So the two takeaways: pay your mortgage, pay your car. If you're in foreclosure right now in Connecticut, courts are closed. Generally, you can file motions, but you need to know how to do it. And I wouldn't say courts are closed. I mean, they'll allow you in the building. I think you can paper file a motion, but there's no in-person hearings. And if you have a deadline of any kind in your case, if you have a foreclosure case, you have a deadline of any kind, something called a law day, or if you have a foreclosure auction, you're going to need help from an attorney, because the judges just aren't going to hear your motion. You're not going to have a chance to get in front of a judge, but attorneys can help you do that. Unfortunately, I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to make it more fair. We're trying to get all those deadlines postponed, just automatically postponed. But as of March 16th, it's not happening. The courts aren't doing it. They're saying, go ahead and file your motions. We might let these deadlines pass, no matter how serious it is to let that deadline pass. And then maybe we'll roll them back later. But I don't want to take that risk. So if you're in a situation where you have a foreclosure case, you're not going to be able to get in front of a judge. You're not going to be able to do it yourself. Unfortunately, I think that's unfair, and hopefully that will change in the next few days. We've got some people working on that. So, all right, pay your mortgage, stay healthy, everybody, work as much as you can, get paid as much as you can, as long as you can, and keep checking back here to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page for help and advice and updates regarding mortgages and what the courts are doing. And everyone, again, stay healthy. That's the priority. Thanks a lot. Contact me with any questions in the meantime.